Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 2, Lesson 4, where you will learn the basic transform properties in After Effects. Transform properties in After Effects can be found in almost all layers. These properties are the position, scale, and rotation. These are just the basic properties of any layer in After Effects. There are still a ton of properties that you can animate and manipulate to add life into your assets, which we will be discussing in other chapters. Before I proceed, we will be using the same project we did in the last lesson, so make sure you were able to watch that before continuing into this lesson. Also, I accidentally converted our ball layer from the past lesson to a stroke circle. To change it back to a filled circle, just click the ball layer, then in the fill settings, choose solid color, and in the stroke settings, choose none. Now let's proceed. To get an idea of how these properties get to animate our shapes, go to our ball layer, click the drop-down arrow under Transform. You'll find different transform properties here, but for this project, we will only be focusing on position. You can see that there are numbers here that represent each property. These are the numbers that you'll be working with to efficiently animate your shapes. For example, in position, you can adjust the X and Y coordinates to make your shape move between the 2D space. In scale, you can manipulate the percentage on how much or how less you want that shape to grow. For rotation, we can go to our triangle layer to see better the rotation effect, since circles don't have points. You can manipulate degrees and the number of revolutions your shapes make through these numbers. Now that you have an idea about how transform properties work, it's time to add keyframes on them to animate your shapes on our next lesson.